Major rivers of the world. First, we are going to learn about major African rivers. Yeah, in this African continent, we have seen many rivers. Out of them, we are going to learn about Nile River, Niger River or Niger River, Zambezi River, Orange River, and Congo or Zaire River. River Nile. It is the longest river in the world. It is also known as father of African rivers, rises south of equator, that is Lake Victoria, flows northward towards through the northeastern Africa, drain into Mediterranean Sea. It has a length of about 6650 kilometers. Its basin includes parts of Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Kenya, Uganda, Democratic Republic of Congo, Southern Sudan, then Ethiopia, Sudan, and the agricultural part of or the cultivation part of Egypt. It is particularly Egypt is one of the ancient civilization. While marking River Nile, we have to find out the Lake Victoria that is near the equator, proceed towards the north along the course of the river and cross 23.5 degree north, that is Tropic of Cancer, and proceed towards the north, empty it into Mediterranean Sea. Niger River or Niger River. It is the principal river in Western Africa. It is extending about 4180 km. Its drainage basin is 2117700 km square. Its source is in Guinea Highlands in southeastern part of Guinea. Its length, as it is told, 4180 km. Its source is Guinea Highlands. Basin size is 2117700 km square. Countries it is flowing through, that is the Niger or Niger, Nigeria, Mali, Benin and Guinea. Its mouth is Gulf of Guinea, which is part of Atlantic Ocean. The most important city on its bank is Timbuktu. While marking Niger or Niger River in West Africa, we have to proceed from the highlands of Guinea and along the course of the river, we have to proceed towards the mouth, that is Gulf of Guinea. Orange River. It is a major river in Southern Africa, longest river it is in the Southern Africa. Its source is Drakensberg's mountain region in Lesotho. It is flowing westwards from there and draining into Atlantic Ocean. Its length is 2200 km and mouth is Atlantic Ocean as it is told, and basin size is 973,000 square kilometer. Its main tributary is River Vaal, which is joining it in Africa. While marking River Orange, that is the in South African river, which is starting, the source is in Drakensberg mountain and proceeding towards the west and draining into Atlantic Ocean. Congo River, formerly known as Zaire River, it is the second longest river in Africa, second largest river in the world by discharge of volume of water. It is also world's deepest recorded river with measured depths in excess of 220 meter. Its source is Lava River, Bioma Falls. Earlier it was known as Stanley Falls over here. Its mouth is Atlantic Ocean. Its length is 4700 kilometer. It is world's ninth longest river. It is the only major river which has crossed equator twice. While marking River Zaire, you have to proceed from the source, that is another river Lava, and that is only turning into River Zaire, and that you will have to follow over here. You have to proceed towards the north, cross equator, proceed towards the west, cross down the equator, that is towards the south, and empty into Atlantic Ocean. Zambezi River. It is the fourth longest river in Africa, longest east flowing river in Africa. The area of its basin is 13940 square kilometer. Its source is northwestern province of Zambia near the border of Angola, and its mouth is Indian Ocean. Its length is 2574 kilometer. The Zambezi's most noted feature is Victoria Falls, which is near Livingstone over here, and there are two main sources of hydroelectric power on the river, that is Kariba Dam near Lake Kariba and Kahora Bassa Dam near Lake Kahora Bassa. While marking the longest east flowing river in Africa, that is River Zambezi, in the peninsular part of Africa, we have to proceed along the river course of River Zambezi and empty it into Indian Ocean.